Right, day number 4. Well, it's another thrift store. I found myself in the neighborhood. I had to go to Walmart and get some supplies, and I said, hey, might as well, right? So here we go. Let's see. All right, so it wasn't a total bust. I did find a couple of pair of vintage Levi jeans. I think I can get $20, $25 a pair for those. I found a couple of Duluth Trading shirts that I figure about 20 bucks a piece. And then I found a Harry Potter book that I'm gonna put with the rest of my Harry Potter books, you know, and eventually lot them together and sell those. But I also found a set of CDs, some kind of bird songs. And what drew me to it was well, the ones that put out the CDs have the last name Stokes. Well, that's my last name. So, you know, I picked it up. I scanned the barcode with the eBay thing, and I saw a couple selling for 30 bucks or so. So, yeah, there we go. You know, you never know what you're gonna find. All right, I'm out. Have a good day. See ya. All right, day number 5 of thrifting. I mean, the wife, she had a work meeting, so I'm not gonna sit in the parking lot and wait. So I'm over here at a thrift store. Already been here one time this week. Let's see if we can go in here today and find anything. Never know. Right, so found a couple things. I found a Super Nintendo console. Hopefully it works. I mean, that's okay. Paid up for it though. I paid like 30 bucks. I hope I didn't overpay. I mean, I just seen it and I just grabbed it. And, I also purchased a vintage pair of Levi's. Men's shorts that were brand new, and a Thomas and Friends little mini toys. I don't know, so we'll see. Bye.